In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S22, and today I will show you how you can hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, obviously you will want to open up your settings. From here, you can right away see that I am logged into a Samsung account, which will matter throughout the process, just because once we navigate down to General Management and then into Reset, where the option is located, as you can see right here, Factory Data Reset, it will tell us that it removes basically everything along with the accounts, though it doesn't really remove the accounts because you need to log out of it. Once you tap on Reset and confirm the damn pattern, which not sure why we need to confirm the pattern when we also need to do this. Samsung, why? Just pick one. Anyway, as you can see, I need to log out of it, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. And once you confirm it, it automatically turns off the device. Now right here, this should take probably a minute or so to finish up, and once it has, I will be presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.